Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to be reading about Helen Keller by Mary Nin, illustrated by Yulia Zolotova. Hi, I'm Helen Keller. When I was a baby, I became very sick with an illness. Eventually, I got better, but I lost both my hearing and my vision after the illness. I used sign language to communicate, but many people couldn't understand me. Imagine not being able to talk or see. I felt sad and lonely. Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through experience of trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened, ambition inspired, and success achieved. My parents found a special instructor to help me. My teacher was very kind and her name was Anne Sullivan. Anne taught me how to communicate by using new methods. She did this by spelling words letter by letter with her fingers into the palm of my hand. This was really amazing to me. I had no idea that there were so many different wonderful things in the world with their own unique names. When it came time, I was very excited to go to a special school for the deaf. I worked hard to learn how to read and write. When I got older, I applied and was accepted into Harvard University. I made history by becoming the very first person who was blind and deaf to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. I communicated by using Braille and sign language using my hands. More importantly, I learned to speak using my voice. I never let my disabilities stop me. I became a highly requested public speaker traveling around the world, and I used my voice to advocate for the rights of people with disabilities. I dedicated myself to showing people what could be accomplished with the opportunity and hard work. I wanted others with disabilities to know that they too can accomplish whatever their heart desires. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Here's the timeline. 1903, Helen publishes her first book and autobiography. 1919, Helen appears in a film telling the story of her life. 1964, Helen is awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. 1973, Helen is inducted into the National Women's Hall of Fame. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!